Hello, it's me, Sparky973 AJ, and I'm here with my dad.
Hello.
And I'm going to be doing the plushie to Spike challenge. And so, we need to start by getting the plushies. So, let's go to a claw machine and get some plushies. Okay, so first attempt, see if we can get anything. Wait. Did we get anything? Nope.
Ooh.
Okay.
Here we go. Yay!
So I'm not allowed to buy anything from the store. I'm only allowed to start off with plushies. So I've got to do a plushie.
So how many do you think we need?
I'm gonna get like 10 maybe.
10.
I do have some as well, like already, which I can use because they're plushies and it counts. So I'm gonna go over here.
We want a big elephant.
Why did I click that? That was an accident. I pressed the wrong button. Now I'm pressing the wrong button again. Okay, I'm terrible at this. Cool. Push at the middle. Right, I'm gonna try den really quickly, and I'm gonna touch my den because I have a den somewhere. Castle Den. And it's got all my claw machines in. So I'm going to use these. So is there a particular animal I should go for? That one is, I think it's a sloth, yeah. They're cute. I haven't got any yet up here yet. I really hope I get one because I haven't got one. Oh yeah, we got one.
We got one first.
Oh, green one. That's actually really cool. Cute. I'm going to go for like a different animal. What's this?
Go through all of them, one at a time.
Owl. Let's go for an owl. If we get the first crow again, that's going to be amazing. More people I've seen more owls than I have sloths. I didn't even know there were sloth plushies, to be honest, until I got the machine. If you keep going until we get one from here.
Until we get one.
Do you ever go, Daddy?
No, you play.
So now let's press the button. No, it's pressing the wrong side. Huh.
What colour do you think it's going to be when we get one?
I think black.
Purple.
No, I was going to say purple. Yeah, I think purple. I was actually thinking purple. Actually.
That's if we get one of those.
Yeah, you probably got good luck. Okay. You're going to the same place?
Yes.
Let's see. Nope. I think we should do one more go and go into a different one if we don't get anything from it. I'm doing it right at the end. But do you press like the arrow, please?
I press the arrow down.
Yeah, I press like the things on the
No, we're not going to get
itself.
an owl. So that's 5 goes on each, maybe.
Okay, falcon. I have a couple. I've seen a couple of them before. Okay, in the middle-ish. I would hope we get like one of those purple ones. I like that shade of purple. It's quite nice. Or the orange ones. Well, ready orange. Oh, we got one.
Which one? I'm going for green.
Yay! More people will probably train more for them because they've got like clothes on and they're harder to get a bit. Because there's. Oh, I haven't got any of these.
What are
They're coyote. Coyote? It's coyote. No, it's not coyote. Did we get one? Well, I'm going to turn the sound up. Oh, wait, no. It's easier with the sound on because then we can hear if we get one. Okay. It's because I need a 6 squeaks if we get one. Oh, God! The sound helped. So far, the only one we've had a downside with is the owls. And that's actually a nice colour. What's this one? It is llamas.
Oh,
I love llamas. I want a green and yellow one. That's probably the nicest one. Or the blue one's quite nice as well. Yeah, I missed. Oh, you didn't get one. I think we should go where the green and yellow one is and make us luck. Go! 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 I'm pressing the wrong side again. Fingers crossed.
You look like I'm in a fish line, you know.
Someone didn't cross their fingers, Daddy.
Oh, I'm so sorry. This time.
Okay.
I'll cross my feet as well.
No. Why are you crossing your feet?
You never know. You never know. It might work.
Blue or yellow and green? Or at least one. How many bits is that?
3.
Okay, I'm gonna go do 2 more goes. Can we do one? Might be lucky. You have to press the down button. The red big button. So one more go.
One more go.
So in this video, I'm probably gonna try and just get like a rare or something.
What are we going to say straight away, are we?
But we're gonna get a couple plushies and entries.
We got one.
Final try, that's good, that's lucky.
What's it going to be? I'm going for blue.
I know for blue or green and yellow. Oh, red, that's actually quite nice. No.
Okay, last machine.
No, I've got a couple down there.
Got more.
And then there's that one, which is also I'm sure it's got that one. Ooh, I want the regular colours. I want the regular colour one.
Go in and go through them.
Okay, we got a couple plushies.
Should we show the people?
Yeah, there's this toucan, there's a cheetah, a llama, coyote, not coyote, and falcon, a sloth, and a deer. So we're gonna go and do some trades. Okay, so I'm gonna trade the falcon and sloth, see if they accept. They might not, I'm not sure. No, it declined. I don't.
We had another one?
Sorry, I do all of them.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be right back on my way back to do the trade because this might take a couple of seconds. Okay, so sent 4 plushies through from that top hat. Please accept. Oh my god. I know what we should do. When someone's telling us a rare for a plushie, of course I'll accept that. That will really help.
So we're on the way.
If they accept. Oh, yay!
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It really helped. So we got a rare. So I'm gonna end this video here. So in this video we managed to get some plushies and we traded one of them for a rare, which is really helpful. So thank you for trading this rare. We'll be back in the next video trying to get more rares and trading the rest of the plushies away. So see you then. Bye.
Goodbye. For a spike in the end, don't you? Or a collar or whatever.
But even if it's a short race, that's still one.
Yeah.
That's fine. Not even if it's a short race.
You want to see how